What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another episode, and today we're talking about Fantom, and I'm going to explain it in bog standard English so everyone out there can understand what this project is. So if that sounds good, then let's jump straight into it. Fantom is a new decentralized smart contract platform that offers quick, secure and scalable transactions to take place on its network. Now, as many of you know who's been in the crypto space for a while, one of the biggest issues in crypto is that most blockchains use old, outdated technology that doesn't scale and that isn't really cost efficient.
NANI?
This means that as more people begin to use these outdated blockchains in the real world, transactions or transference of data or value will take longer to process, will be more expensive, and in some cases become less secure. Now, this is a massive issue, as if blockchain technology is to become more mainstream and more global, it will need to address this scalability problem so that it can be adopted by the masses. This is where Fantom comes in. Fantom is a new layer 1 blockchain that uses a brand new robust technology known as Lachesis.
NANI?
This mechanism powers the Fantom blockchain and allows transactions or the transference of data to happen quickly, securely and at scale. It is also much cheaper than traditional blockchain technologies to transfer data over the Fantom blockchain. Older blockchains such as Bitcoin or Ethereum can sometimes take up to 30 to 60 minutes in some cases for a transaction to clear if the network is busy. In Ethereum's case, transaction gas fees can be astronomical if the network is busy and more users are using the Ethereum platform, which as of right now, most people do. To give you an example of how ridiculous this old technology is, let's say I'm sending across $100 worth of Ethereum. It might take up to half an hour for you to receive that Ethereum, and on top of that, I might have to pay a transaction fee of $70, which means my total cost for sending that Ethereum would be $170, which is absolutely insane. With Fantom, transactions happen instantly, regardless of the network status, and they are very cost effective, so no high gas fees. Users can also create applications on the Fantom blockchain that can be used in the real world and adopted globally without any issues. Quick, scalable, and cost effective. The cost, speed, and scalability benefits behind Fantom's technology makes it perfect for global organizations such as banks, governments, and other companies to adopt the blockchain into their current infrastructure without any issues. Now, thousands of networks can be created on the Fantom blockchain without any compromise to the speed or security of the blockchain. These networks can be both public and private and are fully customizable depending on the user or organization's needs. Now, the native token behind Fantom is FTM. This is a staking token that can be used to secure the Fantom network, and by staking your FTM and helping secure the network, you'll be given rewards in the form of additional tokens. You can also use the FTM token to pay for transaction fees and take part in governance procedures in the Fantom ecosystem. So, for example, you can vote on changes for Fantom updates and even vote on suggestions to modifications on the platform in general. And of course, you can trade FTM, hodl FTM, and invest in FTM for the long term. So let's look at some pros and cons of Fantom. We'll begin with the pros. Number one, it addresses the blockchain and crypto scalability issue that plagues the entire crypto space. Number two, it's fast, secure, and cheap, which means it can be adopted globally. Number three, staking FTM allows you to earn rewards. Moving on to the cons. Number one, other blockchains on the market are also tackling this same scalability issue, so Fantom has got some competition. Number two, it still has a very long way to go before it is adopted globally, but so far things are looking pretty good. Overall, I think Fantom's a pretty decent project, but I want to know what you think. Do you own Fantom? Would you suggest someone invest in Fantom? And what do you see in the future of this blockchain project? Let me know down below in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video and want more crypto education, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, as we've got some incredible videos coming out in the next week. If you want to further enhance your crypto education, press the link on the screen right here and check out our crypto course in the description down below if you want to fast track your crypto education in general. I'll speak to you in the next one. Take care. Peace.